Okay, here we have three word problems. The most basic of all similar triangle word problems is the shadow and height. A 6-foot person has a shadow of 18 feet. So if I have a 6-foot person, height is the 6. Height always goes straight up and down. Shadow, think about it. Shadow is always along the ground. That's how we do a 6-foot person has a shadow of 18. And we would just finish it off as a triangle. So that's all we have right there. Height is the 6, that's up and down. Shadow is 18. A tree has a shadow of 54 feet. So I got a shadow for a tree, and it's 54 feet. Now we have to figure out where that 54 goes. I say it goes on the ground because it is a shadow. So all shadows go along the ground. It wants to find the height of the tree. So that's what we're looking for. So that's the picture. To set it up, we're going to do our fractions and proportions. So if I start with the first triangle, I'm going to go 6 on top of 18. I'm following that path. I pick that path and I'm going to stick to it. So I'll put h on top of 54. And I'll take 6 times 54. 324, and then 18 times h. Remember, cross multiplying, and then divide both sides by 18. And it happens to be 18. So the height of the tree is 18. Alright, another one, which is a little harder using proportions. A model house has a scale of 1 inch equals 2 feet. All of you have looked at a map and seen a scale factor on a map. So I'm just going to make a little note of this. I'm going to make a fraction. I'm going to put inch on top of feet, because inch came first and foot came second, so this made it easy on myself. So I'm going to make, for the model house, I'm going to make 1 inch over 2 feet. There's my first proportion. If a real house is 26 feet, now, on this second one, it gives us feet, so we have to be consistent. We have to put the feet on the bottom. So that's why I'm choosing to put 26. If the real house is 26 feet wide, then how wide is it the model house? So the model house, we're looking for in inches. Alright, so we multiply 2 times x. 1 times 26, divide by 2, and x is 13. So the model house is 13 inches wide. Last one that's similar to this. The map has a scale of 2 inches to 6 miles. Alright, here we go with our traditional map that everybody's seen. So 2 inch, 6 miles. So I'm going to have a fraction of 2 over 6. If Clayton and Centerville are 10 inches apart, now 10 inches, I'm going to put that on top. How far apart are the real cities? So that's basically how many miles are there. I'm going to use m for miles. Okay, so 10 times 6 is 60. 2 times m. Divide by 2, m is 30. 30 miles apart.